If you're looking for ways to make money from home, there are countless opportunities available. Here are the first 25 ways to get started. First, you could offer virtual bookkeeping and accounting services. Many businesses need help managing their finances, and you could offer your expertise from the comfort of your own home. Another option is online tutoring or teaching. With the rise of remote learning, there's a growing demand for online educators who can help students of all ages and backgrounds. If you're highly organized and detail-oriented, you could work as a virtual personal assistant. You'd help manage someone's schedule, respond to emails, and handle other administrative tasks from home. Content writing and editing is another possibility. Many businesses need help creating and refining their online content, from blog posts to product descriptions. If you're fluent in another language, you could offer online translation services. There's a growing need for professional translators who can work remotely, especially in industries like healthcare and finance. Social media management and marketing is a great option if you're savvy with Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms. You could help businesses build their online presence and attract more customers. Web development and design is another possibility. With the right skills and software, you could create beautiful and functional websites from home. Graphic design is a related field that's in high demand. From logos to brochures, businesses need visual assets to help them stand out from the competition. If you have experience planning and coordinating events, you could offer virtual event planning services. From weddings to corporate gatherings, there's no shortage of events that need expert management. Project management is another option for those with strong organizational and communication skills. You could help businesses manage complex projects remotely, from software development to construction. Online data entry services are also in high demand. If you're comfortable with spreadsheets and data management, you could offer your skills to businesses in need of accurate and efficient data entry. Online surveys are a great way to earn money from home. Many companies offer rewards or cash payments to people who complete their surveys. Virtual customer service is another option. You'd help customers with questions or concerns via phone, email, or chat, all from the comfort of your own home. Online moderation is a related field that's growing in demand. You could help monitor and manage online communities, ensuring that users follow the rules and engage in constructive discussions. If you're comfortable with data analysis, you could offer virtual data analysis services. Many businesses need help analyzing large amounts of data, and you could provide valuable insights and recommendations from home. Online research is another possibility. If you're skilled at digging up information and verifying sources, you could offer research services to businesses and individuals. Stock trading and investment is a more advanced option for those with financial expertise. With the right strategy, you could potentially earn a significant income from home. Affiliate marketing is another way to earn money from home. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales, you could build a profitable online business. If you're crafty or creative, you could sell products on Etsy. From handmade jewelry to vintage clothing, there's no shortage of unique items you could sell from home. Online transcription services are also in high demand. Many businesses need transcripts of meetings or interviews, and you could provide accurate and efficient transcription services from home. Online data mining is another option for those with a talent for research and analysis. By scouring online sources for valuable data, you could provide valuable insights to businesses and organizations. Dropshipping is another popular way to earn money from home. By partnering with a supplier and selling their products online, you could earn a profit without ever handling the inventory yourself. Affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions for promoting other people's products, is another way to make money from home. You could create content around a particular niche or topic and promote products that align with that topic to your audience. Blogging is another option that could potentially lead to income from advertising, sponsorships, or product reviews. By creating quality content that resonates with your audience, you could build a loyal following and earn income from your blog. Online content creation includes a variety of activities such as writing blog posts, creating videos, or designing infographics that you can sell to businesses in need of content to promote their services or products. Virtual assistants is another way to make money from home. You could offer a variety of administrative tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, making travel arrangements, or even managing social media accounts for busy professionals. Market research is another lucrative field that can be done from home. Companies often need information about the market, including information about consumer behavior, trends, and competitive analysis to improve their business strategy. Website or app user testing involves testing websites or mobile apps for usability, user experience, and ease of navigation. You'll be required to give your feedback and opinion, which companies will use to make improvements to their products. Mobile app development is another skill that can be monetized from home. You can create your own app or partner with a business to build an app that meets their specific needs. Online software development involves creating software programs, web applications, and other software-related services that you can sell to businesses in need of these services. Virtual bookkeeping and accounting services are in high demand as businesses need help with managing their financial accounts. You can offer services like bookkeeping, accounting, payroll management, tax preparation, and other related services. Offering virtual legal services can be done from home, especially if you are a qualified lawyer. You can provide legal advice, document review, contract drafting, and other legal services to businesses or individuals. Freelance photography is another way to make money from home. You can sell your photographs on stock photography websites, or you can work with businesses or individuals to take photos for events or marketing purposes. Creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative business. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Offering voiceover services is another way to make money from home. If you have a pleasant and clear voice, you can provide your services for commercials, videos, podcasts, or other audio projects. In conclusion, these are the first 25 ways to make money from home. Each of these options requires different skills and experience, but they are all legitimate ways to make money from the comfort of your own home.